Good morning, friends. You caught me putting a lot of sugar into my coffee. I like a lot of sugar and milk in my coffee, and I guess just a little coffee. But coffee is always best drunk the way you like it. Don't you agree? This will wake me up and I hope perk me up a little bit for all the jobs I have to do today. But I would like to introduce you to my channel, Rocky Mountain Gardens. My name is Mary and I live in Colorado. And you know, as well as me, that we've all had a rough year in 2020. And so I am planning to start decorating for Christmas early. As a matter of fact, I'm going to start the day after Halloween. And yes, I know that is early, but guys, I want to just spread the joy of Christmas and enjoy it until the end of the year as much as possible. So today, my purpose for this video is to invite you to a Christmas home tour collaboration that I am doing with Sonja at Domestic Diva. And she actually has 3 channels, but her channel for her tour will be on her Domestic Diva home site. I'll put a link to it down in the description box. For those of you who are creators and would like to participate in this collaboration, I will be posting on my channel links for the creators to add their videos to the actual playlist that will be appearing. And our upload date and time is going to be November 25th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, I definitely will put all of that information down below. So at 5 p.m. on November 25th, you will be able to click on the link that you will see below, and that will allow you to add your video to our playlist. Now, there will be a separate playlist as well for our viewers who are coming around to see our videos. And for all of my faithful subscribers and anyone who may be just stopping by today, you know, we're going to have, I hope, a lot of tours for you to enjoy and get some inspiration from as you maybe begin decorating. You know, traditionally, I always waited till after Thanksgiving to decorate. But this year, I'm starting early and I'm going to get the most out of my Christmas decorations, the most enjoyment, and sharing with friends and family. I hope you guys will come by, get yourself some delicious snack to eat, and a warm cup of cider or hot cocoa, coffee, tea, something to enjoy as you can binge watch actually this whole playlist for many, many ideas for your own home. I cannot wait to share it with you. A couple of last rules for those creators who would like to participate in our collab are you must mention both Sonja and my channels in your video and let our viewers know that you are participating in this Christmas home tour collaboration. And also down in your description box, you must also link both of our channels, Rocky Mountain Gardens and Domestic Diva Home. And lastly, you must be subscribed to both of our channels to be able to participate in the collaboration. All right, well, get your inspiration juices flowing and start thinking about what you want to do in your home for Christmas. And we will see you very soon on November 25th for this super fun Christmas home tour playlist. And with, I hope, a whole group of lovely creators who are going to be sharing their homes with you. Until November 25th then, I will see you on that date. So long.